task about design patterns, and I'm going to start with singleton. I have two tasks here. So first one, I need to implement class configuration manager, which will manage application settings. So let's start from private string db url. So there are a lot of parameters. I don't know why we need so many parameters here, because actually I don't know how to use it. db login, db password, and also path, no path, and login level. Okay, log level, and let's say that's enough. So first let's create a private constructor, configuration manager, with default parameters, and also let's create private static configuration manager, and I think we can create a couple of methods to set values to the fields. And also get instance, of course, yes. Public static configuration manager, private static manager. And so if we have configuration manager, if configuration manager is equal to 0, we will create a new public static configuration manager get instance. So manager in this case will be a new configuration manager, and basically this is all. And I need to return manager. Okay, but let me also create public void set. Okay, let's set db url, string url, and so this db url is url. Okay, and also I think I need some method to display this public void print config. Yes, and here will be sort manager. And I also think we need to add toString, to generate toString. Okay. What's wrong here? An extra curly braces. Okay. And so let's create main class and test this. So first let's create configuration manager. No, configuration manager, get instance. And let's create one more just to check this is actually create one more to check that we have only one unique instance. And so let's say manager one, manager, print config, and then manager set URL string new, actually no, it's wrong, just new URL, and it's also manager print config, and let's also print manager 2 print config, and let's run it. So it's before changes, and second after changes we have a new URL here, and we printed another manager, and we see that we have only one instance. Okay, and the second is a logger. Okay, so I need to create a class logger which will record events, and so this class should provide centralized access to login for all the application. So it should log 3 levels of operations. Okay, so let's go. So I don't think we need some fields here, but so private static logger, and let's create private constructor logger, and also let's create get instance public static logger get instance, and so create this method. If logger, if we don't have a logger yet, let's create one as a new logger, and let's return logger, return logger. And let me also create methods to log, like public void log warn, and I'll pass string message as an argument here. So let's print warn plus message, and actually I can create also methods for errors, error, and for info, error, and for info, info, and here is also info. And I think that's all, so let's test it in main. So logger as a logger get instance, and let's create another one, logger 2, and so let's logger log 1. Don't do this, and log 1, or just log, don't do this, for example. Actually, I think we can maybe create some instance to store all the logs, but I don't know how. Maybe a list. But I think it's not important for now. Just the idea is important.